going to use FetchFox to scrape the websites of various companies from a list of company names. So over here, this is a spreadsheet I have over here. It's got a column of company names over here. We got Airbnb, Cigna, Costco, CVS Health, so on. And we're going to find the URLs for all these companies. So let's go ahead and copy and paste the first one. And I'm going to put it into a Google search. So this takes me over to Google. The top result over here is Airbnb. And actually the top organic result also is Airbnb. And I'm going to show you a trick. I'm going to go to the URL bar, and everything after a Q equals Airbnb, I'm just going to delete all of that and then press enter. And you can see I actually get the same results over here. Google puts a lot of garbage in the URL that you don't really need. So I'm just going to copy and paste this URL, take it over to FetchFox, and I'll show you why I'm doing this in just a moment. So go to dashboard over here, go to new scrape over here, put in the URL, and I'm going to tell FetchFox to scrape two fields. Number one, name of the website that is the top search result, and two, URL of the website that is the top search result. So I'm also going to put an organic to make sure it knows not to include the advertisements. All right, then press go on both of these, or on that one, and wait a moment for the AI to make the scrape plan. So FetchFox is planning out the scrape here. Please bear with us. It takes a few moments. All right, great. So it's gonna start at the Google search over here for Airbnb. It's gonna find the name of the top organic search result and then the URL of the same thing. So this looks good. Click continue, and it's gonna set up our scraper and then execute the first scrape. We're doing just one first to make sure it works, and then once we can get the name of Airbnb and its website, we'll put in the rest of the items from the spreadsheet. All right, so let's go ahead and wait for this to start. Please give it a moment. Doesn't show it. Let me go ahead and refresh the page. Looks like it's having a little bit of an issue here. There we go. All right, so it's running the scraper right now. This here is going to be where the result's going to show up in just a moment. Usually it takes about 10 to 20, maybe 30 seconds for the first result to show up. So let's go ahead and wait while the AI does its thinking. All right. So we got the first result. Actually, you know what? It put a little bit of junk in here in the result. Put in all this tagline here. I'm going to edit the prompt over here. Include only company name. All right. Let's save that. And let's do all of them at the same time, and we'll just hope that that change worked. So I'm going to go back to my spreadsheet, and I'm going to show you a trick that you can do with Google Spreadsheets. So copy and paste this first part of the URL over here, everything before the name of the company. I'm going to type in equals concat this URL part I had over here, and concatenate that with the name of the company. Press enter, and this is going to generate all the URLs that are going to be kind of like the starting points for our scrapes. So we got these 9 URLs over here. Select them, copy, and then go back to FetchFox. And now see where it says starting URLs over here. I'm going to click edit and then paste in one URL per line. I'm going to put in all these URLs for my spreadsheet. I'm going to click save. So this is going to run the exact same extraction on all of these URLs over here. And when I click run, it's going to kick off the scraper, and it's going to find, oops, oh, it got a little bit of confused over here, but don't worry, it's running all the URLs through the scraper. So it's going to go through these URLs one by one, search them on Google, find a top result, and also find a URL of that top result. Let's give it a moment to do its scraping. Alright, so we got 9 results over here. Got Airbnb, its URL, Cigna Corporation. We actually expand this over here, see all of them. And these all look correct. And I'm going to show you one more trick that you can do. Let's